Hello, 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 everyone. This is Linda here. I just wanted to show you guys what I'm currently doing for the wedding tomorrow. Yes, I brought my work home. So it's been one crazy day, but as always, I have to keep going. I hope you like those. It's just, I'm doing about those were oh my god, my brain froze. The bouquet for the bridal party. I'm sorry. But if you're just joining, my name is Linda Gunner. I am the CEO and founder of Linda's Perfection Creations. Linda Perfection Creations is an event planning and wedding decor company. We cater to small and large events in and around the Philadelphia area. We do full service, partial, month of coronations. We do custom events. We do planning and decor. So what that means is that if you have just want a planning aspect for a month of coronations or somebody just to help you with all your planning need in every aspect of it, um, do that as well. If you're gonna do decor, if you need from centerpieces to flowers, or did a decor your whole wedding from start to finish, we do that. We'll also do design fundamental. So what that is that let's say if you're planning a wedding and you just need somebody to help you connect the dot and put the pieces together, put the layout, give you vision and everything that it's going to do, we do that as well. So those are things that I included in my packages. So there's a lot of things that I offer in my package. That some Elica card where you can purchase different things, and I also do classes. So I teach you how to plan your own wedding. I teach you how to do floral classes. I do it all. Um, we do, as I said, we do destination wedding. I'm sorry, I'm so tired. Um, and we do it. So I have a wedding tomorrow. Um, so for the anytime I'm doing wedding, the beginning of the week, it's whole week leading forward is really really challenging. But we pull through and we get it done each time. So today, as I said yesterday in the video, this is more of an uplifting things and to give you information and things what to do when you're planning your aspect. And then after this crazy day, because I have one of tomorrow, I have another one on Sunday. So it just kind of have a little small thing on Friday and Saturday. So the next 3 weekend is, I mean, 3 days is intense. So to go into a topic where I can do, I really won't have enough time to prep because my focus is on my clients. Um, as much as I want to do these things for you guys, but I still try to, talk to you guys about stuff. So today I'm going to talk about something that happened today. I went to the venue as I was there, and when I came back from rehearsal, because I left step away for it, and the venue was doing a tour with a new bride, who's well not a bride, future bride who was getting married. And in the process, I took upon myself to because they was asking about my work, and instead of giving credit to myself, to speaking of myself, and it's not that I don't my work I shouldn't sell, but sometimes not every time you sell. Sometimes you just let your business come to you. So I took that opportunity to speak of the venue. Now, some people might look at it as like, well, why would you give the venue credit? I literally rave about how great the venue was, which is true. The event coordinator, I also talked how amazing her service was, which was also true. Now, in that moment, what happened is that based on how I spoke highly of the services, those clients end up booking those events. Now you can say, yes, I could have took the time and talk of my florist needs, how I planning, how I do all the aspect. Yes, I could have done that, and I could have probably gotten that sale as well. But at that moment, it wasn't about me. I seen a venue that she needed help, and I did. And the reason why you did it, be like, but why you did it? Well, look at it this way. After that, she came back and said, Linda, thank you. Because of you, I was able to get that sale. Now, that one sale, you may say, oh, well, you have may have probably have lost that sale. Yeah, probably. But the next time somebody else is coming at that venue and they need a wedding planner or they need a florist, she's gonna remember like, oh, Linda was there. So those are the things you do. It's like you lay when you lay your eggs with chicken. I should say with chicken lay your eggs. I'm sorry, guys. I'm so tired today. It's like when you go in fishing. I'm gonna just use that terminology. When you go in fishing, you put your bait in, and then eventually the fish will come. So I'm marketing and marketing myself. And even if it wasn't that, even if I don't get no sale out of it, when you see somebody doing something and you can do something to help them, do it. Don't do it because of any reason. I didn't do it because I knew, oh my God, in the end she's gonna help me. There's a possibility she may not never refer my services, and that is okay. But you know why? I'm somebody gonna pay it for. Something's gonna happen and people are gonna see that and they are going to rave about it. They're gonna rave about things that they see. Let your work speak for yourself. Don't be afraid to help people, even if you don't get anything out of it. Help. You never know what's gonna come out. Like for you know, based on who you are, good things come to you. God is grateful, and and I understand not everybody are Christians, not everybody are believe in God. Some people believe in higher power. Some people believe a lot of things. Some people are atheists, and that's fine. But my thing is that I am strongly believe that because of God is where that at. I have gone places where sometimes I get things where I should pay for. That sometimes people give me $5,000 worth of things for free. I don't even pay for nothing. It's not anything but just based on the level of services that I do and the things they see. They say, hey, there you go, thank you. So there's a lot of things that come up. Anything you can do to help people, do it you know and sometimes every time for my venue when I'm doing venue, sometimes the client's going to be like, hey, we're going to do this and do this, and then when time comes they don't have it, or maybe they choose to go something else. If I have that at my house, if I have that in my storage, I will let them use it. Now you can say, well, you should charge them, you should pay them. Yeah, I could do that. But if it's something that's not going to cost me a lot, it's not going to be a lot of hassle, it doesn't really matter to me, because I know out of that something great's gonna come. I am content and happy and grateful in the things that I have. So, word of the day is help someone, pay it forward. Do be nice to people. If you see somebody need help, do it. In regards to planning your wedding, if there's Sunday things that day that you can help make somebody day great, go for it. It shouldn't be always about you. Nothing wrong with being able things about you. I'm not saying that, because yes, you should put your first serve. I understand all of that. All I'm saying to you is this: treat people the way you want to be treated. Be kind. Do somebody a favor without wanting something or asking for anything. Be honest about what you do. And if you are going to speak up for somebody, do it from your heart. People can see through the bowl. They can see you when you're just being fake. They can see you all of that. But that is all for today. I hope you guys enjoy the little glimpse of the flowers that I put up. What I'm gonna do is hopefully tomorrow, because most of the thing tomorrow I'm 100% really gonna be doing my video from the venue, because the wedding is over at midnight. So I definitely, so there's two things. I probably maybe try to get it in first thing in the morning as soon as I wake up. That way I won't have to worry about it. Yeah, I think I will do that. And just keep my day going instead of waiting in the middle of the day where I'm tired and beat up and to sit there and do it. But even if I can, I would try to put some kind of pictures or some kind of images up so you guys can see. And if I don't put it on YouTube, go to my Instagram, go to my Facebook. I may not post a lot, but I do post information on there so that way you guys can see it. It's just that when I get on site, I'd be so focused on, and I know social media rules the world, but I'd be so focused getting my job done, getting everything that I need. The last thing I'm thinking about is, oh, let me take a picture of how it is. Yes, it's marketing. People can see my work and do everything. I'm not saying anything. That's why I use photographer are my best friend, because what I cannot do, they capture my work, they capture the day, and then make sure that things get done. But what I'm gonna say, and just leave it a half a good night. Enjoy your day. Once again, thanks for watching. My name is Linda Gunner. I am the CEO and founder of Linda's Perfection Creations. You can subscribe to my channel. Please like, share, and subscribe. You can also follow me on my website at www.lindaperfectcreationsevents.com. Once again, thank you and have a great and wonderful night. As you guys can see, I'm tired, I'm beat, but Enjoy your day. Thank you. Bye for now, everyone.